Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So in an effort to get more classic Outlook users over onto the new Outlook, Microsoft is making a change that should be rolling out shortly. And it's from a visual standpoint, where according to a Message Center advisory, Microsoft is adding a classic theme in the new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web, so that it basically looks very similar to classic Outlook. So at the end of the day, when you select this configuration, the icons, the visual styling, layout, and interactions will be updated to align closely with classic Outlook. Now, if we head over to an image provided from the announcement, here we can see, if we head to your settings, general appearance, on the appearance page, there will be a new classic Outlook enable classic Outlook style toggle. Basically, it means that the purpose of this feature would be to enable you to utilize a more familiar user interface without losing any of the features associated with the new Outlook. But this toggle, take note, is simply an aesthetic change. It won't migrate you from classic Outlook to new Outlook, and it won't override any admin configurations. So just take note of that. It's purely aimed at the user interface. Now, Microsoft says that the setting will be off by default for most users, but following its availability, it may be enabled by default for some users who have just migrated from classic Outlook to new Outlook. And as mentioned, it's simply a visual change to make the new Outlook feel more familiar for those who have just switched over. And Microsoft says it plans to begin a targeted release schedule this month and complete it by the end of September 2026. And Microsoft mentions that general availability is scheduled from late September this year and is expected to be complete by late October 2026. So I thought that was interesting and just wanted to put it out there in case you would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.